Come test drive the 2019 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, tires, rear performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, mini spare tire, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires, front performance. Come see the car for yourself.